Hi, welcome to my channel. I recently filmed a collective haul of a few items that I've purchased since this summer, and I left two items out, and this one is my Coach Graffiti Tote that I recently purchased from coachoutlet.com. It's no longer available on the website, but it may still be available in stores if you're interested. As you can see, it's black signature CC logo, and it has the Coach in graffiti. It has 2 stars and a cherry. It also has the Coach hang tag, and it is in gunmetal hardware. Let me see if I can focus in on it so you can see the details of this gorgeous tote. I love it. I've used it several times since I purchased it. Like I said, I've had it for about a month now, and this is the back of the tote. The back of the tote is just plain CC logo, doesn't have any graffiti on it. The bottom of the tote looks like this. It doesn't have any feet. Let you look at that. And then it comes with this pouch on the inside of it that reminds me of the Neverfull pouch. I don't know, I don't own a Neverfull right now, but I hope to one day. I want the Damier Ebene GM Neverfull. That's the one I want. So this is what the pouch looks like. See if I can get it to focus. The inside of the pouch looks like this, and it has the side zip. It zips almost all the way down, halfway down on the side, and the inside just looks like that. It's just plain black. It doesn't have any pockets. And the reversible side of the tote, black on the inside, which I don't plan on wearing. This is a reversible tote. Just gonna wear it the way it is, but just in case you get it and you do want to reverse it, it does have the Coach logo on the inside, and you can just wear it as a plain black tote. So that's that, my Coach Graffiti Tote. And if you're interested, here's the tag. Let me see if I can get this to focus. So you can get the information if you're interested in this tote. Like I said, they may or may not, it may or may not be available. I don't know if I have it too close to the camera. And my hands are shaky, so that's not helping the situation. But maybe you can see that and pause the camera if you're interested in this tote. And it also comes with care instructions, as do all Coach items. So 2 cards for the care instructions. And that is my Coach Graffiti Tote. The next item, I showed this in my last video, but I didn't talk about it. This is a perfume from Anthropologie, and it is called Palm. And I love this scent. It was worth mentioning. I like to wear this at night after getting out of the shower. And I believe the original price of this was $19.95. No, I'm sorry, $29. And then it went on sale for $19.95, and I believe I paid $7 or $8 for this perfume. So it smells really good. If you get a chance to smell it, from Anthropologie, it's called Palm. It smells very good. So that's it, just a short video to show a few items that I forgot to mention in my last video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.